Meta, the umbrella company, is coming up with a new change. Instagram, one of the world's most used social media platforms, is shutting down its infrastructure for chatting with Facebook friends. Here are the details. Instagram, one of the most used social media platforms, has come up with an important innovation, according to the latest news. The roof company Meta made a decision that upset Instagram users. According to this decision, the cross-messaging feature between Instagram and Facebook will be disabled. In 2020, Meta, which we know as Facebook, merged the Messenger feature with Instagram. In this way, Instagram users had the opportunity to message with anyone when they wanted, regardless of which application they used. 3 years after this decision, Meta took a step back. The company announced that it will remove this integration. According to this announcement, users will no longer be able to start new conversations with their Facebook accounts on Instagram from mid-December 2023. On the other hand, their chats with their Facebook accounts will only be read. In short, it will not be possible to send messages to these chats. Facebook accounts will also not be able to see if the user is active or has seen the message.